Welcome to
Fun for Kids.
Like, share, subscribe. Let's have fun!
Let's count together. Are you ready? 1 apple. When apple red and bright, count 1, 2 apples, what a lovely sight. Count 1 and 2, 3 apples round and sweet. Count 1, 2 and 3, 4 apples fun to meet. Count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 apples, count with me. Count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6